guys want to get some DESSERT?
Yeah, I need myself a TREAT.
What you guys talking about?
Yeah, why did you guys just spell this?
No, don't say it.
A Y?
Oh no, how do we tell you this?
Akko can't spell. What?
She can't spell, so when we talk about something she wants, we spell it out so she doesn't get too excited.
She's 16. She can't handle hearing the word treat. Treat? No treat. Treat? No treat. Treat? No treat. Aww. Okay, what is happening?
We told you, she gets excited when she hears the word TREAT.
What you talking about? Taxes. Oh, shucks. So what, you guys just treat her like a toddler? Treat? No treat. Treat? No treat. Treat? No treat. Aww. Look, you gotta spell if you're talking about FOOD. Okay, so are we getting an SNACK snack?
Oh, come
man.
on, dude, really?
Come on, I spelled it.
Well, she knows how to spell snack.
So she could spell snack, but she can't spell treat. Treat? No treat. Treat? No treat. Treat? No treat. Gosh darn it! Okay, she's getting fussy. It's time for an NAP.
Yeah!
What does NAP spell? Party?